Hello everyone, and welcome to another how-to video on model riveting. Today I want to talk about a type of switch machine that you may not have ever seen before. These you can build at home. They're not difficult to construct, although the one material is somewhat hard to find. So let me show you how this works. I'll flip the switch, and as you can see, the points silently move to the other side. Switch it back. Gotta go all the way with it and move here. So I went too far with it. That reflective surface is tough on the camera. And it's kind of neat the way it does that. And it always perplexed me that switch machines like this were never produced. As you can see, I've got it on up there, and it's drawing right now about 300. Come in clear there. Yeah, about 300 milliamps, just about. So, let's have a look underneath. What we have here is a pivot, a brass piece there that pivots and moves the point, a spring that pulls it back, and what looks like nothing in between. But if I get the light right on this thing, you can see a very small wire. Oops. And you can, as you see me flicking my finger across it, there's a wire strung across between the pivot and this anchor. Now that's memory wire, and what happens with memory wire is when it heats up, it moves. Now right now it's engaged, it's actually warmed up, so I'm going to release it. And as you can see, that point, it just stretched, so I'm going to tighten it up again by turning it on again. And see how that is? You can see the pivot moving. Silently and predictably every time. I'm not sure what the memory wire is going for now. Back when we were first doing this, we figured the cost was going to be about $15 a switch. And then the prices went up a little higher after that. I was a part of another model railroad club called the Section Gang, and we were fiddling around with these. When the tortoise switch machines came out, and another style that used big servos like these, where you can see this, yeah. These had some pretty high torque servos, and we would use these to move the points. And we set the voltage and the current on them such that they would stall out. And this is, of course, before Tortoise came out with their version of it. Once we went to the servos, we kind of forgot about this. But now that the memory wire is starting to come down in price, I've been thinking that maybe something like this might be a better answer to silent, quiet switch machines. Anyway, I thought that you would enjoy looking at something from out of the past, and thank you very much for watching.